Hey! Ndị be anyị bịakwa nụrụ na ntị meju. Doris onye Igbo osi na Pastor Christ anya 440 eze na-aghọrị ndị ọ na-achị atasa pastọ na ọ na-ese ndịrị ya mgbari ọtọ ụmụ ya. Hey! Ka Pastor Christ si wee nwetazi mgbari ọtọ ụmụ ya, ọ na-abụ na ụmụ ya na-awụ ahụ ka ọ nọfa na-eyipụ akwa. Pastor Christ anya 440 o wee je na-enyo ụmụ ya. Hey! Afọchikwa anọ m ntị na ọhụm nụrụ nke a. Unu amakwa nwa anụ unu furu Doris ku n'aka ka a na-akọwa n'ọkwa Pastor Christ mụrụ ya na mama ya bụ nwatakịrị na Pastor Christ atụbago ya ime ugboro 4 wee jee wepụ anya bụ nwa na nke anụ unu furu amụziri nwa wee bụrụ nwoke ebu nke 5 ka ọ bụ. Hey! Bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ o wee bụ na dọla unu na-afụ ebe a bụ $10,000 ego ndị ụka Pastor Christ atasanyetara na onyinye fakwuru na tait ka Pastor Christ weje wee kwa Doris onye Igbo wee si anya kwụsị ikwu ife ọbụla maka ya n'ihu akwụkwọ na ya bụ Doris pụta n'ihu akwụkwọ ya bịa gwa ndị mmadụ nọọ ndị pastọ ndị ọzọ bụ ife kwuru Doris ụgwọ ka o wee bịa kwugide ya bụ atasa pastọ eze na-aghọrị ndị ọ na-achị. Hey! A na-ekwu nke o mere ka na-emekwa ọzọ wee ka na-ezinye Doris ka ọ na-arụ ọrụ adịghị mma kama ọ ya sị Doris ya were ego ya jezie zuo ike jebela onwe nye kwutezina maka ya ọ ka na-alaka ya ka ọ bịakwa bụ ndị pastọ ibe ya ebubo. Unu ya bịakwa ka unu were ntị unu nụrụ na ntị m juru eju nke ebe anụnwa Doris tinyere maka ego ma hapụ ya ka o kwuo maka enwere egwu na-agba ebe ahụ. Doris nọ na-ekpe ekpere na ya bụ ego gosi na ife ọjọọ bụ na bụ ebumnobi ọjọọ Pastor Christ bụ n'obi n'ebe nya bụ Doris nọ wee nye ya ego na ọ ya abịa na mmezu na o ya eri ego richa ya nyụọ ahụrụ pụpụ. Unu ya abịakwa ka unu nụrụzie ife ọ gwara Pastor Christ ọ ya emeri na nke ikpeazụ a n'ọdụkwa ka ya ka unu ụka ụzọ na-abụ nye Doris otu ka e wee prizie ya. Doris irikwa onye ya eri ijebekwa ka ị ghara endịkwa ọpụ karị ma abụbaka. Nwatakịrị nwaanyị gbapụta kịta nwa gosi n'ihu akwụkwọ na ọ mụrụ Pastor Christ nwa ama nnọọ ka ị were wee chọọ benefit nke ị chọọzi ịma ife ya eme digelu na emecha na Pastor Christ fanafa ya chụgharị ya ka ndụ nwa mmadụ ya dị n'egwu ife ịma bụ ka ị kpọpụta ya ka e wee mezuorugu nkwa nke ị chọọzi ịma na fanwa na ya emezuru fa nkwa nke fa. Biko nu ndị Pastor Christ na-atụrụ ụtụ amụ onwedo onye ọ makwela amakwe nwata nwaanyị anụnwa ghara ime ugboro 4 ọ na ịmahụ mgbe iji adị ime mgbe iji adị ime ruo pastọ bịa ihe agwa nwunye nọ na nsọ ka o nyere ya efe maọbụ na ewere okpu nnebe enyi hapịa ọ na-atụba gị na-ewepụ okwentụ a ka nwoke ọzọ ya esi nụrụ gị echi ọ bụ na ewerugo ife sọtọsịcha agba nwa ihe ekwegwu ya ife na-emewe ejezi ịkpọrọ ya jee n'ụlọ ụka ka egbubezie amụma nọ nne ya nọ nna ya na fa na-atakọsị ya nwa dị ya n'afọ mana ife imetara onwe amafọ ka nwaanyị esi wee wepụrụ nwoke nwa ugboro 4 ị ka ya sarị ọkpọ na-ala ojide ọgwụ ala ụnụ. Hey! Unu kekwa unu ekporu Doris agbatagokwa ụgwọ otu nke ya welụkwa ndị ọzọ na-achọ ka ọ gbatazuo ọgbana nke ọ gbatara ezubeghị ya. Ọkwa nwata nwaanyị amụrụ nwa ka Doris na-akọwa na Pastor Christ sịrị ya na ya ji echọta ndị na-atọrọ mmadụ ka atọrọ ya bụ nwatakịrị na nwa ya amanna oke egbuo fa nwekwe na ife maya afụna pastọ na-emekwa alụ. Doris na-akọwarị na onwe ede every minute ọha ala nwaanyị na pastọ a na-alazu nwaanyị 3 ede pastọ onye isi ndị nchụaja ụnụ. Doris onye Igbo okwe n'elu ọta nwa esiri anyị na-enyiri ife ndị DSS ji egbughe okwe n'ebe a ka esi weta ego a na-enye ya na-anarụ ma amahụ na mmụọ ka mmadụ ka unu nyiri ebe ahụ ka hapụ unu ka unu gee ifefa kwuru unu kekwa unu ekporu.
Chris is your son. Hey! Now your pikin be this, so you don't get another one. Now your pikin be this, so hey! You see that man, Chris, You never know how wicked that man is, and you don't know who you're dealing. I know them very well. I know how they set people up. He told me to make my demands. Let I make my demands so that he will carry am, set me up. Who will collect $50,000 for you to do it? You dey craze? Who you want to for your life share? Me. You dey craze? Person wey conscience allow am. I miss this drama as this man comes to me for Unilag. He sent me the video of his daughters. Pictures. Just this man can do anything just to protect himself. He doesn't mind who takes the fall. Now they are trying to come out to say that they set very dark man up, that girl is not his daughter, blah, 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 blah. Now me, you want set up. So that I go, as I talk $50,000, I talk house, I talk this one, you go say they blackmail you, they blackmail you. This is not about money, Chris. It's not about money. Any money that you give me, I go chop one, but I will still say the truth. It's not about money. That was, when I'm not asking a question, how come I am the only woman in the mix of these mafias? Do you think they saw me ordinary and they brought me in their mix? That time I'm the only woman in the mix of these mafias. This man get mine, send me a picture of his own daughters. A shock. This man can do anything to anybody. There are more people that you can protect. The more you try to protect them, the more they are setting you up. And trust me, they are plotting with some police officers to deal with me. They are plotting with some police officers to tag me, blackmail, tag me, anything to jail me. Their plans, I know. Everything they are plotting, I know. You think I don't get sense? Me go demand $50,000 for you so that you go jail me. I'm not waiting you the plan. Every of your plan I get her. You send me a picture of your own daughters. I said that to very dark man. I said that to very dark man. Of your own daughters, you just want to take a fall. You want them to take a fall for you. Now me, you want set up. You don't go to Swaya. From the day you came, when you shocked that somebody who were watching you when you came, I informed my people. Are you sure that I have the two cars? You came with two cars. The first one you came with that, the second one you came with Prada. I never post that one. I was to post that one. Now me, you want set up. Who they ask me for? If you give me money, I will chop and please. But it will not stop me from exposing you. You don't know who you're dealing with. I lost my brother. Nothing means anything to me anymore. Nothing. Nothing means anything to me anymore if you don't know. Nothing. This is not about money. It's not about money. It's about what you did to me. You sent my new video to your friends.
Chris, you want to pay me for my nude that you shared with your friends, right? You want to compensate me for not marrying me, right? You will pay me $50,000. Put me on monthly payroll, or you will give me a part, a share in your company, your business. I'll have a lifetime share, big share in your business. It's like you're not getting it, Abby. It's like you're not getting. You think that this is the Doris you knew before, Abby? You think that that's the Doris you know before, that you manipulate with love or not for? That's not cleared in your eyes that you shared my news video to other men. Do you know how many men that had my news video on their phone? Do you know how many people that have my news video on their phone? And you think money can change that? Chris, I never start with you. Just wait. I never start with you. Chris, just wait. Anywhere this matter will reach, I go full out. You have a long thing coming. Me. Fear no catch you. Carry my body. Say you're a lawyer. Hide it. Make anybody tell me nonsense again. Do you know how many people that have my body on their phone? Do you know how many people your lawyer shared it to? You're telling me bullshit. Fear no catch you. Say in a relationship. If I ever love you before. See it now. As evil as you can be, you went and changed your own number in Truecaller and put my name there. You forgot that it's the same number I sent to Video that Video I spoke to you with. I'm 100 times ahead of you guys. You are busy talking to me. Your lawyer, they're busy. They call me blackmail. Like, God will punish. I don't blackmail you to 2017, and now I won't come blackmail you. You're talking to a fool. Let's see. Everything will come out. Nonsense. Okay. I have to say this one. When I went to see Chris, the last meeting we had came with 2 of his pastors. When we were talking in the car, he carried his hand on my back head like this. I mean, I carry my hand, collect and say, give me back my glory, not thief am again. But since when he hit that hand for head, I dey get headache. I have to say it because people say, hey, don't talk again, don't talk again. No, I have to talk. I'm not afraid of dying, you know. If I die, no problem. I'm not afraid of death. But I want you people to know that if I die, you should hold Chris Oka for response. Because I head like this. You do and deliberately. Now holding hands, say, give me back my glory where you collect. I will burst into laugh. If I die now, I will hold Chris responsible because since that day I'm having constant non-stop headache at the back of my head here. Then after now, before you go even try to buy me, I know that he doesn't have the power to buy me. He cannot. I have something special. Something special coming. You know when I say special, it will shock Chris. Now my papa be this, so I no get another one. Now my papa be this, so. Now my papa be this, so I no get another one. Now my papa be this, so. People say, she done the mad. Doris the craze, Doris the mad. I don't agree. I agree, sir, the mad. At least I know good day normal. They expose this kind of people, no. I suppose mad. As a mad finish, I go do okay. If I perish, I perish. I will speak my truth. You see, they come next. Oh. You see, they come next. Oh, you know how evil this man is. I've been playing since. I never talk. Now I won't begin talk. It's another victim that came to me. She's the owner of that 2-year-old boy. If I bring out the face of that boy, people will tell me who he looks like. This one has had 4 abortions before this 5th one. Here's another victim. She's with me now. You'll be hearing her story soon. You'll be hearing her story. Her story is even worse than my story.